It is often the case in school or in life that you need to keep going back to the same website over and over again. And while bookmarking a website on a computer is pretty easy, there is another way to do it on your iPad or on a phone. So instead of Google searching the website, we can just press the share button and the plus sign here, add to home screen. And if the website has a ridiculously long name, we can delete the parts of the name we don't want. This one has a really long name. Thank you for your patience. And then add that to our home screen. And there it is as a little button to help me out so that I can just click that and be on the website I need. As always, when you're on a website, you can pop it into reader view so that you don't have to see all the ads. That's generally helpful. Oh, and I can make it bigger or smaller. That's great. All right, I hope that helps.